Hello and welcome back everyone. So how you can delete a drive volume? So how we can do that? You can see here you can see I have two drive volume, okay? C drive and E drive. I want to delete E drive. I don't want this drive here, okay? So how I can change it? How I can delete this drive? Okay? So just right click on this PC or go to so more option, okay, and here you can see the manage option. Click on manage and wait, just here you can see the computer management is open, okay, and you have to click on disk management, okay. Click on disk management and now you can see here our E drive, okay. So right click on E drive and click on delete volume, okay, and say yes. And now you can see I have deleted volume, okay. So that's it for today, and if you want to add this volume to here in C drive, you can extend the volume, okay. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being here. Bye.